Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create custom match in Escape from Tarkov Arena. To do this, first we'll need to pick Arena Battle right here. Then in the select game type you need to switch to the custom. Here select create and then you'll be able to set a room name. Adjust the password, you can leave it empty if you don't want any password on it. Select the server. Then the game mode, there's a team fight and shootout. In a team fight there's 5 versus 5. In shootout there's multiple teams with 2 versus another teams with 2. And here you can switch to different map. Enable or disable kill camera. Set player skill levels. So you can lock the lobby for certain skill levels. Available presets or loadouts between tier 2 and tier 3. And we can allow duplicate presets if you want. Then when everything is ready inside the settings, we can click on create, and here your server should be visible. They'll be able to join through custom game. And now we can join different teams. Keep in mind, to actually play this mode you will need 6 people. You can always go back to the settings if you like, and when there's enough people to start a match, you should be able to find a start somewhere around here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.